Okay, so here's what a proper start of the year looks like for a business that wants control. First is you validate the previous year, all bank accounts reconciled, receivables and payables reviewed, inventory finalized, and financial statements approved. Then you set up clean opening balances that exactly match last year's closing numbers. No estimates or no shortcuts. Then you review and update your chart of accounts so expenses, income, and taxes are properly tracked. You lock in your accounting policies for the year so nothing changes randomly halfway through. Next is you update your BIR records, books of accounts, sales invoices or receipts, tax calendar, payroll, and government contributions. These are not accounting chores. These are systems that protect your cash, your compliance, and your peace of mind. This is how disciplined businesses start the year calm instead of reactive. Click the link below to learn more. Follow for more.